What's up, Kid Too Technical? I'm back again with another video, and as you can see, the company PITAKA was kind enough to send me out the caseless thin for the S24 Ultra. So we're gonna just slide it in the dummy unit so you can get a look and feel of what this case will look like on your phone, because I know a lot of people like cases to be on their phone, but they like that thin minimal look. So this has MagSafe capability, and it's made with Aramid fiber. So pretty much this is what the box is looking like. Then you just want to open it up like so. I like the presentation, how it opens. You do get a QR code to where they're on Facebook, Twitter, Facebook, X, Instagram, and YouTube, to where you can go follow them. And then you are greeted with the lovely case. This looks so cool. Looks so nice, and it's so thin and minimum. Usually, I'm not a fan of these kind of style cases, but this is built so well. It's hard. It's nice. I like how the cutout is for the cameras. This is just their thin case. Caseless. It's like caseless. So you would just place your device in there like so. Of course, this is not going to keep you from, it's not going to give you protection because this is caseless, but some people like this kind of look, and for the people that love this kind of look, PITAKA has you covered. You do not have to worry about dropping your phone flat down on the back, because it is good and protected, because you get camera rings for each camera, and I really like that a lot. Down here at the bottom, you do get your port cutouts that you would need. You get access to your S Pen. If you need to get that out there, you should be able to get it out easy. The sides are just open. So with this kind of case, I would recommend you have on a tempered glass screen protector so you do not damage your device. But overall, the look and the feel, it does look and feel nice. It's thin, like it said. This is a cool design, and PITAKA is very known for their nice, sleek, thin-looking cases. So I will make sure I drop a link in the description to where you can go pick this case up for yourself. I hope you found this video helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. I'm out.